doing?
Next week came out my tummy, then I will go on my mommy and dad and put her on the bed, and then I'll put that little cushion on her, and then I will put her on the bed.
You're gonna put her on the bed? Yep, remember she's gonna sleep on in the pack and play?
Well, I'll go down there and put her in the car seat.
You wanna put her in the car seat? Mommy might have to help you do that. Should we put some clothes on her first?
No.
She has to get clothes on before we go home.
No.
Do you want to see her little slipper socks?
Yeah.
Got little kitties on her feet. You see those? We're gonna wear those when she was a little baby.